Hi, my name is Klein, and this is Project 3 for CS50W in the year 2020. So, for this project, we were to build an email application that was a single-page application and used APIs in order to handle the email process. The first specification states that a user should be able to submit an email, so to send an email using a POST protocol. So I'll go ahead and just quickly log out or register a new user, gil@gil.com, password gil, and this is a new user, so there are no emails found. If I go ahead and compose an email, I can, for example, say foo@foo.com, say the subject is "this is an email," and in the body of the email will write "hello." Send, and in my sent I now see this. If I log out and log in as foo@foo.com, then I will see that new email in my inbox. Next specification states that you should not only see the inbox and the sent mailbox, but also you should be able to archive. So that being said, over here, I'm going to click this email to view it, and then hit that to archive it. Now if I go into my archived emails, I see this in addition to another. The next spec states that you should be able to view an email, which we can go ahead and do again right now. Just view any old email. You can also go to my sent and view that. Next specification states that you should be able to not only archive but also unarchive emails. So I already showed you the archive box, so let's go there, choose an email, and unarchive it. And now it appears back here in the inbox. Finally, you should be able to reply to an email. And let's go ahead and choose any old email. I'll reply to bar@bar.com. Simply reply saying, "Hello Bar, good to hear from you." And I'll send the email, and it will appear here in my sent as a reply. And if I log out and log into bar, then what I see is that new email. Thank you for looking at my project.